Hey everyone, welcome. Today we are going to look at the builder pattern and how we can use it to create objects. So builder pattern is a creational design pattern which is used for the creation of complex objects step by step. Here I have an example in which we are going to create the character class without the builder pattern first. So the character class has properties like name, health, armor, and all the usual stuff. Then inside the constructor, we basically set all of these properties. And we use the character example class to actually create the objects of the character. So I will create a warrior, which name is warrior. Its health is 100, armor is 50, and the other properties are set over here. And I have a mage, which will have these properties. The issue with this is that if I just look at this creation and I see 70 and 20, I don't know what 70 and 20 is, and I have to go back to the character class and actually look at 70 is health and 20 is armor. And also we have a lot of optional parameters that most of our characters won't use. The size of the constructor is too big. And this is a simple example, but in a complex scenario it becomes cumbersome and very hard to debug and create objects this way. So in order to solve this issue, we'll use the builder pattern, and how we can use that is really simple. So let's go back to the character class, and first of all we'll make the constructor private. Remove all of these from the parameter list. Remove this, remove these, and now inside the character class we are going to create our builder. So we'll create a class public class builder, and this builder will have a private character equals new character. The reason I can use new with already having a private constructor is because this builder class is actually nested inside the character class. And now all we need to do is we will say public builder set name, and this will take in the string name, and simply say that character.name is equal to name, and we will return this. And that's how we are going to set these properties for all of them. So let me quickly paste all of these properties. Like for health we'll do something simple like character.health is equal to health, and return this. So we can set all of these properties. So let's do that. So here I have set all of the properties that were previously part of the constructors parameter list, and here is the build method, which would basically return the character that we have built. And now how we can use this? Let's go back to the character example and use our new builder to actually create the character. Let's say we want to create a warrior, so we would say character warrior equals to new character dot builder, and we would say set name to warrior dot set health to 20, and let's say that our warrior doesn't have armor, so we would not use set armor, we would use set shield to shield, and finally you would say dot build. So this is how we can create characters. Now let's create a mage. So I'll quickly create the mage. So here's the mage, and as you can see the mage has different properties. We can include optional parameters, and basically this way of creating objects is simplified. It's a step-by-step process, and it's easier to debug, and we can basically create many characters of different types while having a clean implementation. This was one way of using the builder pattern. All of this can also be achieved by creating an interface and using it with the builder pattern. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.